Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the game and your system. Close Origin or EA app, disable cloud saves, and remove or move mods to a backup folder. Once done, verify the updater and Sims 4 version numbers so you know what will change, and run the updater as administrator to grant needed permissions. Make sure your internet is stable and the firewall permits connections on ports 80 and 443. This prevents partial downloads and failed integrity checks later. You now execute the core update, launch the official updater or the in-app updater, and let it download required files. Don't interrupt it. As it runs, the updater will verify existing files and replace any mismatched items. This verification prevents later crashes. Make sure to pause other large downloads and stop heavy CPU tasks on your PC to reduce timeout risks. If prompts appear about overriding custom content, choose Replace only for core game files and keep your saved mods backup. Finish by restarting your PC and the EA/Origin launcher, then re-enable cloud saves and restore only mods you've verified with the new version. Launch Sims 4 in a clean session, confirm the displayed version matches the updater, and perform a quick save to validate stability. If the game crashes or content is missing, delete local thumb cache. Package and run the launcher's repair game option. This fixes corrupted caches and often resolves missing package errors. Check the logs for any specific file name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.